channel. Today I'm going to be creating this look right here. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. And before we get this video started, I do want to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway that I have not been promoting as much. I kind of forgot about it, but it's my last tutorial. I believe I will be linking that video at the end of this video. It's going to be popping up right here. Right here, it's gonna be popping up somewhere. Just click on it and you can see how to enter that look. Now let's get started on this amazing look that I am obsessing over, and hope you guys like it. And are you ready to watch and see how I did this? Let's get ready to slay. Hey guys, I'm pretty sure you're wondering where the hell I've been. Right now I'm kind of under the weather, so if you hear my voice kind of scratchy, I think I'm getting a cough, and I really hope I'm not, because I don't want to be sick. So let's get started with this face. We gotta prep this face. First, I'm gonna go in with Mario Badescu's skincare spray. I like to put it in very closely. Next, going in with my vitamin E. I love this very much. Now going in with primer so our face can stay on all day and doesn't disappear on us. I'm going to be using Smashbox Photo Finish primer. You guys, I didn't wet my beauty blender. Moving on to foundation. Today I'm going to be using this Estee Lauder. Yeah, there we go. Estee Lauder foundation. This will actually be my second time using this foundation. The first time I used it, I got the wrong shade, so my face was white compared to my body. I was having a James Charles moment. Not cute. So hopefully this color matches me. If not, we're gonna be using another foundation. But so far, from my first time using this foundation, I don't know. I really don't know, but I want to give it a chance, so that's why I bought it again. But so far, I thought it was so drying. Like, I couldn't even smile because it was so dry. So, picking up some foundation behind the Sonia Kashuk. Okay, this might be my color. The Sonia Kashuk sponge, which I love. Now to highlight and conceal, I'm going to go in with Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. I'm in the shade Light Medium Honey. And in case if you're wondering what shade I was in the foundation, I am in the bronze shade. This might be a little bit too light, but that's because I got so tan. I went to the water park 2 times already. Summer hasn't even started. And I got so dark. Blending it out with my Sonia Kashuk sponge once again. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to go in with Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I got a brand new one. I really want to try the Patrick MAC collaboration. You know what I'm trying to say. I really want to try that one out. Let me know if you guys have tried it. How is it? Should I buy it? Should I not? The foundation on my nose is breaking apart. I think because my oils are trying to come through. Alright, now to set my face, I'm going to go in with Estee Lauder Double Wear. What? I'm going to go in with the Double Wear Stay in Place Powder Makeup from Estee Lauder to set my face. And I haven't even set my face yet, and I can already feel it tightening. Like it's drying. Like if I smile, there's a pull to it. Hope I'm making sense. Now to start on the eyes, the front part where the transformation happens. I'm going to be using the Dare to Create 39A palette from Morphe. For my crease color, I'm going to use this shade right here. It's a corally warm shade with that orange undertone in it, and it's so pretty on the crease. No matter what skin tone you are, you put this shade right there. Ugh. so pretty. And I am using a M441 Morphe brush. It's gonna go all over my crease from inner to outer because these shades are so pigmented. I am working with a little bit of product at a time and I'm going to build it up as I go. Now picking up a smaller fluffy brush. This is a Sigma E40 brush. I am going to pick up this gorgeous color right in the palette. It's like a hot pink with burgundy underneath it. It's just it's really good. I'm going to apply this on my crease line, so when I open my eye, you see that line right there. That's where I'm going to focus this shade in because the brush is fluffy. All the edges are going to be blended outwards, if that makes sense. See how good these colors are? They just blend so good. Picking up that first brush that we used, I'm going to go right along the edges just to take away any harsh lines, because girl, you can't be walking around with harsh lines in our crease, in our shadow. Now picking up another small but precise fluffy brush, one that you can blend it out but be specific where you're going to be putting the shadow at. This is a xoxo brush and it looks like this. It doesn't have a number, but it looks like that. Picking up this dark purple in the palette, a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. I am going to apply this to the outer V on my lid, but slowly building up the color because I don't want it to get all crazy. So once I apply it to my lid and it's like that, I'm going to, with no additional powder, I'm just going to blend that upwards to my crease line. Moving on, I am going to be cutting my crease. I'm going to use some concealer and a flat brush and cut this crease. The way I do this is I don't breathe. I just do it and hold my breath. Now using that same brush, but I cleaned it, I'm going to pick up the Jaclyn Hill palette and pick up this gorgeous shade right here. It's like a rose gold. No, it is a rose gold. It's such a beautiful rose gold. Like, I think she got that color down so good, because there are some shadows that are rose gold and they just don't look rose gold. Now I'm just setting the concealer with the brush, but then I'm going to go back in with the shadow and apply the shadow once again to give that metallic look. Now as you can see, the shadow by itself, just like that, is pigmented, but I'm going to wet it just to give it that extra do it. Moving on to the bottom lash, I am going to pick up the orange shade that we used in our crease first with a pencil brush. This is an It brush slash smudger and liner. So I'm going to use this side. Picking up the corally warm shade, I am going to smoke my bottom lash out. Now picking up another pencil brush, but one that has more of a pointy end to it. I'm going to pick up the dark purple, and I am going to be working this on my outer V, close to my lash line, connecting it with the top. And most of the product is going to be at the end, and then when I'm done, I'm going to drag it over here like that. Now picking up another brush. This is an It brush from Ulta. I'm going to be using the all over shadow side, and I'm going to pick up this burgundy shade in the palette. And I'm going to be picking up just a little bit. I just like literally just tapped in there. I'm going to take the axes off. And you see this line where the cut crease meets with the outer V. I am going to be tapping that shade right on top of those two shades. Right in the middle, I am going to blend those two with this shadow. There we go. We are completely done with the shadow. I am going to add just a little bit of highlight to my brow bone, but I don't want to shimmer, so I'm going to be picking up this yellow tone shadow from the Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to pick up a small brush and just add it up here. I do want to clean up the edges of my shadow, so what I'm going to do is pick up some translucent powder, pick up a angled brush. This is a foundation brush, and I'm going to apply it right here. While that bakes, I am going to do my brows. We gotta slay these brows. Okay, we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow. Alright, you guys, we're back. We have eyebrows. Now moving on to lashes. I'm thinking I'm using these right here. These are from DODOLASHES and the style D105. Your girl got a code if you want to buy some DODOLASHES. All you have to use is code Glam Rosa and you are going to get a discount. I don't know. You know what? We're not using these. We're using something else. Those are way too dramatic for this look. It's already dramatic. I want my work to show through. Alright, you guys, I'm going to be going in with these lashes right here. They are in the style So Lush from Allure. It's a collaboration with Ann Lee. It goes from short to long, so it has a wing, and they're separated. So, oh, I gotta put mascara on. There we go, you guys. Now we have lashes. Now moving on to the face. Once again, we're going to contour and snatch it up. I am going to go in with a little bit of this yellow tone in the palette, this one in the middle, with my beauty blender, and I'm going to pick up just a tiny bit, and I'm going to lighten up the bottom of my eyes just a bit. Now picking up this LA contour brush, I'm going to go in with the middle shade and cut my cheeks, so right here. Like that, and then I like to turn the brush around and just blend that out. Now picking up an angled brush. This is a Sigma F40 brush. I'm going to go in with that same shade, and I am going to do the rest of my face, all the perimeters of my face. I'm going to bronze up and contour even more, like my neck and my double chin. Now to glow up, you already know I'm going to be using Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studios highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Picking up this brush right here. This is a Morphe M504 brush. I'm going to be hitting the high points of my face because we know the sun. It's summertime and I want to be glowing like a god. I love this shade. Put a little bit above my brows. Not a lot, just a little bit. For lips, I'm going to be doing these two combo right here. Jordana lip liner in Hot Cocoa. whoa, and my Maybelline Hot Lacquer in Unreal. Hey guys, so this is the final look. You guys did not see how I did the lips because my camera decided to die. So rude. But this is the final look. If you guys like it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, join the Glam Squad, and I will see you guys in the comments down below. Let me know what you thought of this look. If you want to see, if you want to request any videos, just let me know in the comments down below. I know I want to do a rainbow one because we're in the Pride month, and I do want to do a very colorful rainbow look. So keep an eye out for that. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.